Hello everyone, I will not be here tomorrow morning because I have to go to the immigration department to transfer my visa. So I'm using the videos for you to actually do work in class while listening to me. Now, your teacher, your cover teacher will definitely hand out this document to you, right? It states series versus parallel circuits. So please refer to this when you're watching this video, okay? Right, first and foremost, we are going to start on the topic of electric current and also voltage. So as you know, we are trying to finish this as much as we can. So I'm trying to do this here so that you can pause, rewind, or even fast forward if you do not need me to explain another round, okay? Now, on the concept on series and also parallel, we know that if we talk about serial killers, for example, you are referring to a serial killer who is going for his murder victims, murder after murder. And in this case here of the series circuit, you've got to think of the concept as components in a row. Okay, so you notice that if you have one component here, you have another component here, and you have another component here. It is what we call in series, just like serial killers, one after another. Parallel is a little bit different because when you have one component in one line, it will be at a distance, but it is of the same length. So as you can see here, parallel here refers to the line which has the same length, but it is at a distance. So you notice that there is a distance here. Right? So please make sure that you understand this concept. Of course, this will not be tested, but I just want you to understand the difference between series and parallel. If you need to pause because you need to translate, please feel free to do so. Right, back to reality on the electrical circuits. If you can see our two light bulb components, and you know that your light bulb component is drawn this way with the two axes joined by the wires. And if you notice this, is this a battery or is this a cell? If you have chosen the cell, you are correct because there's only just one. Okay? So try your best to draw this sort of diagrams when you come across real diagrams like this. Okay? A serial circuit basically has one component after the other. And if you look at the parallel circuit here, these two light bulbs are at a distance. They're at a distance, but they are of the same length. Okay? That is what we need to see in series and also parallel. Now let's just look at the application over here. This left-hand side, I'm going to raise this for you first. This on the left hand side here refers to a Christmas tree. And the Christmas tree has this wires, and you'll notice that it will be in series. Why is that so? I'll let you think over, or you can even search from the internet. Why is it in series? And we'll discuss when I return on Wednesday. On the other hand, this is very similar to even the lab that you're in right now. These are all in parallel circuits. What is the advantage of doing it in a parallel circuit as compared to a series? Think about that. Search up your answers. You have your laptop, you have your computer, you have your tablets. Make use of it and utilize the time or use the time to discuss with your fellow classmates. Right? This is the end for part 1 and I'll go on to part 2.